In this video, I'm going to illustrate how to find slope-intercept form of a line containing two given points. So here's our points, 1, 3, 2, 6. And slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So in order to find slope-intercept form, you need to start by finding the slope. So let's label our points. So we're going to call this one x1. This is your x2, y1, y2, right? And your slope is the change in y values over the change in x values, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's plug in for our y values. y2 is 6, y1 is 3, x2 is 2, x1 is 1. Simplifying, 6 minus 3 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So our slope is just equal to 3. Okay, so we're going to use that in our slope-intercept form up above here. So m is 3, so we're going to plug in 3 for m, and then we can choose one of the 2 points. I'm just going to choose x1, y1. So we're going to plug in 3 for y and 1 for x. Okay, so we have 3 equals 3 times 1 plus b, or we get 3 equals 3 plus b. Solving for b, you just subtract 3 from both sides. So it cancels out on both sides, so you just get 0 equals b. So now we're going to plug in for y equals mx plus b. So again, we found m to be 3. So we're going to plug in for that. And we just found b to be 0. So we're going to plug in 0 for b. So then we have y equals 3x plus 0, or just y equals 3x. So that's your equation in slope-intercept form. Let's try another one. -4, 1, and 2, -5. Okay, so again, here's slope-intercept form, where m is your slope and y is your, or b is your y-intercept. So let's label each of the points again. So here's x1, x2, y1, y2. Equation for slope. Change in y values. Over the change in x values. negative 5 minus 1 all over 2 minus a negative 4. So negative 5 minus 1, that is negative 6. And 2 minus negative 4, that's the same thing as 2 plus 4. Those two negatives become a plus. So that's like 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So then we have m equals negative 6 over 6, which is negative 1. So we just got a slope of negative 1 there. Okay, so let's plug in negative 1 for m. And then I'm going to use x1, y1 to plug in for x and y. So our y1 is 1. So I'm going to plug in 1 for y. And our x1, or x is negative 4. So that's negative 4. So we have 1 equals negative 1, negative 4, plus b. So 1 equals positive 4 plus b. So we subtract 4 from both sides. You get negative 3 equals b. So that's our y-intercept. So now we can just plug in for what we have. So m is negative 1, so I'm going to plug that in. We just found b to be negative 3. It's negative 3. Or if you want to simplify that, it's just y equals negative x minus 3. So that's slope-intercept form. Thanks for watching.